Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add funds to Steam Wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, the library, the community, and your account. And also here we have the search bar and your store and new, as you can see, categories and all the things where you can go and find the games you want to go and download. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add funds to Steam Wallet. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, launch the Steam client on your computer or go to the Steam website and log into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile name. So basically here, you click on your profile name. Then select account details from the drop-down menu. Click on account details. Then in the store and purchase history section, click on add funds to your Steam wallet. So then when you click there, so here you have the store and purchase history. As you can see, click on add funds to your Steam wallet. Select the amount you want to add from the options provided. Choose your preferred payment method, so credit card, PayPal, etc., and fill in the necessary details. Review your purchase and confirm the transaction, the funds will be added to your Steam wallet balance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. That'll be everything. Bye guys.